Hey everyone, welcome to HTML overview. What is HTML stands for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext, the hyper keyword will tell you reference and linking with one to another one. In HTML or any website having many HTML pages, so how we need to communicate and linking hyper will tell you. And the text data or information which is we are putting in website called text. Like example, portfolio of a person or product information or newspaper content. These are based on the site which the information or data we will put there. And the markup predefined or marked the tags which we are applying as we requested. And the language which is used to communicate from computers to computers. The browser will understand how, like what we are requested the information to be present. Many of the programming languages which will follow the communication between the language to language. So the language will explain you what we need the information. We are asking the computer through a basic like a syntax based. This is the follow. Hey, how are you? There is a format. Means it's a question we are raising. Similarly, in a syntax base, in a programming also, we have a standard format to convey the message to the computers. All about like 200 plus languages are there in computer programming. So very most popular and all of the world or websites are using HTML standards. So the HTML basic, it would be construct by HTML open tag and end tag. So the tag whenever you see here like a opening and end, like a closing, also we can say it is closing. So the HTML and end of the HTML tag with a forward slash would be there with any tag which we are applying in HTML. So which is created by W3C, a group of people to build HTML websites and having many tags this way. So I'll see you more in information our next lectures. Thank you.